have always believed in the power of growth and self improvement, striving to do something better than what I was doing yesterday. When my career hit the lowest, being laid off and offered a job paying me 50 and 60% less than what I was making yesterday, I realized it was time for me to upskill and advance my career. Enrolling in a business analyst course with Simply Learn helped me bridge the gap between my career experience and the technical skills needed for a skilled role. This decision not only enhanced my knowledge but also secured me a new job as a business analyst at Infosys. Hi, my name is Asita Sagar. I am a business analyst by profession and this is my journey. I am from Pune. I have my mother and we are 5 siblings. I am a BBA graduate and soon after my graduation I started working. I worked in different fields, but then in BA I have 4 years of experience. There was a time when I got laid off from my current organization. That was a major setback in my professional career, and then I wanted to do something better wherein I was looking for better companies, better opportunities. But then I was getting rejected every time. I did not know what is going wrong. And there was a time when I came across Simply Learn study material. I decided that okay, this would be a right decision. Maybe I could use some of my time to go through the studies and help with my self-esteem and the confidence which I lost during the rejections of the interview. Soon after sending in the inquiry, a representative reached out to me and he explained me what the course offers, how are they going to start the studies, how are the classes going to be, and I opted for a weekend class. We had a lot of students who were there along with me, and it was a very collaborative class. Two things which really stood out during my learning experience. First was the tutors. They were very skilled. They helped me with all my queries, all my questions. And the second thing is the projects. The kind of projects which they ask you to do during your learning, it is very helpful. It helps you upgrade yourself. It helps you to identify what domain would be better for you, where are you lacking behind, what all you can work on yourself. And if you are lacking behind in anything, they come up with a very constructive feedback which you can utilize and upgrade yourself. Self-confidence is the key to everything that you do in your life. I have had a very supportive family. They have always supported me to do what I like, and this is the biggest reason that I have done whatever I have done so far in my life. I have tried to do much better every time. Before the program, I have always worked in contractual roles. I now work in a MNC. I feel proud of myself by saying that. As I say, every day is a new learning experience. I find myself in a better position in terms of knowledge and skill sets. In future, I plan to do more courses which will help me to upgrade myself. I want to keep myself up with the IT industry and do not want myself to lag behind, because after doing the course, I have realized that it is very necessary to keep studying, keep understanding what is happening in the industry and the market, and because of that I would not want to keep myself away from the studies. Failure is never the end to life. Take setbacks as an example or as a lesson in your life and try to figure out what has not worked for you so far and keep working on yourself. I am sure this will really help you to go forward in your life.